Hey, what's up guys, Jude back with another video. In this video we are going to be talking about a really amazing project that I recently came across and think you should check out once. Make sure to do your own research before investing in any of the projects that I recommend, as I am not a financial advisor. As you know, it is best to invest during early stage of any project. This is where you can make some serious gains. So in order to never miss out some potential opportunity in the future, make sure to subscribe and turn on those bell notification, because in this channel we cover upcoming projects, IDO, ICO, and regularly do reviews on different projects that are requested in comment section. Also, if you want me to review project that you guys are interested in and want me to research on it, make sure to share it in comment section. Now let's get straight into this video. Today's project is zimabank.com. They are aiming to create blockchain based banking app with all kind of financial assets and services right in your finger pocket, which is something really cool. This is going to be an ultimate decentralized banking app for saving. Here they are introducing new reality of payment, banking without border, cryptocurrency wallet, payment card for online and offline use, and as well as DeFi access, which is going to be a game changer in the crypto space as well as traditional banking system. Now let's move on to the white paper. I'll be sharing the white paper link in description so you can click on it and download it and learn more about it. So they are offering is for blockchain and businesses as well as private users, that is conventional banking and traditional checking account, as well as brokerage with access of traditional finance and stock market, payment card linked to your own fiat and crypto wallet. Here in this app itself, they will be introducing traditional checking account, as well as you can access DeFi as well as crypto wallets via this app itself, which is something really cool. And it will be also for trader and investors, that is crypto exchange and trading platform, plus their own unique service of early stage participation in pre-IPOs and IPOs by buying tokenized stake, which is something really unique. And this will be also for all crypto users, that is a comprehensive set of tools to manage your crypto finance, that is crypto wallets, crypto backed loan in one single app itself. So this is a complete decentralized ecosystem in this app itself, which will be allowing you to access your crypto wallet and also check out your all the crypto backed loans that are ongoing, and that you can also supply and borrow in this app itself. And here this project includes the following components such as corporate and individual bank account, banking, payment card and payment processing, debit card and cryptocurrency wallets, multi-currency crypto exchange and trading platform, investment platform, that is participation in IPO and ICO, which is something really unique. That is in this one single app itself, you can have multi-currency crypto exchange as well as trade in it. And also these are the strong point, that is European business presence, that is cryptocurrency license service unique to markets such as tokenization of participation in IPO, that is pre-IPO, partner support, relevant and scalable niche, well-known in industries advisor. Means here the advisors that are backing this project are also well known in the crypto space. And now let's learn more about it. So these are all the different products and services that they are offering, such as bank account, SEPA and SWIFT transfer, which we get in traditional bank, that is debit card. Here you will be getting a benefit of virtual as well as physical card that you can use in ATM, or you can transfer virtual asset, that is on and off ramp service. Means here you can change digital asset to fiat currency and vice versa with best rate starting from 0.5%. This will be for institutionals. And also they will be having a crypto exchange, that is full integration of centralized structure and decentralized action within a single platform, which is something really unique and game changing. That is acquiring and processing connect payment option for your business anywhere around the world, choosing with from 50 plus providers. This is something also cool. These are the payment cards that you can create, that you can order once the bank is live, that is connected to your IBAN, virtual and plastic option, ATM with cash in EU plus international deposit via Zim bank app, both for individual and corporate, which is something really amazing. And here are the advantages and opportunities that we are getting with Zima Bank. The first is online banking. Means using this cutting edge online banking platform allows you to access and manage your money around the clock. They have about 99.7% uptime, which is also phenomenal. And here you will be getting a advantage of fast services, that is use payment option with fast onboarding and 24 into 7 client support. The average response rate of their manager is within 15 minutes. This is just an estimated number. This can be very after the launch. And this the last is personalized approach and consulting. You will no longer have to wait weeks for answer from the bank. They provide a personal manager to each client who construct on any tax, legal, financial, regulatory, and other issues, which is also something really cool. That is, Zima Bank is a neo bank with worldwide crypto and fiat system. Here they are already in process of licensing from EUPL as well as FATCA, and also they have an account and servicing payments, that is POS terminal, with no difference between fiat currency and cryptocurrency. Payment processing in FINTRAC complaint, that is registered in Canada, which is also a thing that to make a note of. And here are their key partners, that is Market Making Pro, Mastercard, Tone, Cardano, Kraken, Whitebit, Gate.io. These are all some well-known partners that are backing the project. And now let's move on to the white paper again and check out their tokenomics. So the token name is Zima token. Token ticker is Zima, and the retail price is 0.30 per Zima token, and the total supply is 100 million Zima token. And also they are following a proper vesting period for each and every fund allocation, which is also something really cool. And also the blockchain that they are launching is on Binance, that is BIP20 and Ton network. So here is the token allocation specification, that is for each and every different type of round. They have allocated seed round 6.67%, private 10%, private 2 12%, KOL 1.67%, public sale 3.33%, liquidity 6%, team 20%, advisory 4%, and marketing 10%. And the last is ecosystem fund, that is 26.33%. And they have a clip period for each and every fund as well as vesting period for each and every fund. The initial market cap at the launch will be $850,000, and the valuation will be 30 million for the max supply of 100 million. And here is some utility for the token, that is, first will be banking and crypto wallet, deposit and withdrawal bonus, increase interest on staking, investment platform participation, that is access to extended allocation, special bonus, payment card, that is order a new card with a discount, opportunity to get cashback and token for purchases with debit card, cryptocurrency exchange, that is discount on commission payment and Zima token, exclusive airdrops, crypto backlend, that is reduce interest on loan, interest rate on deposit. These are the perks that we are getting in holding Zima token, that token, which is something really cool. So if you are interested in learning more about it, so make sure to check out their white paper for for doing a complete research. So that was all regarding this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.